Today we talk about how can you enable education notifications on your Olymptrade app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on notifications, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. You come to education, click in this side. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's main education notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.